right, we're going to try this again. Let me get this going, and I want to get on Facebook Live and go from there. All right. Well, evidently, my dumb ass, I just tried to go live, and Cheryl couldn't find me anywhere. So she got my phone, looked at my settings, and evidently, all my posts, all my posts have gone. I had it set to only show my post to me. So that's kind of crazy. Like I said, we're doing some different things. We're Cheryl's selling paparazzi jewelry now. We have a booth down in Franklin. There's an antique mall down there. We're also selling on eBay. So, but we're trying a different setup. We moved rooms, a little different lighting. I'm also recording over here. I'll show it to you real quick. I'm recording on something called OBS. And what that does basically is it runs from my webcam, which I have sitting right here in front of me. And we posted one of our live videos to YouTube last night. Spent all night trying to edit the thing. It took, I would bet, every bit of 6 hours to post. And then the video quality wasn't good because that was one that we used our laptop on, and the camera on the laptop is kind of old. So we're trying a few different things. I'm going to be bouncing back and forth. I've got a new microphone. Well, it's my son's microphone that he doesn't use anymore, so he gave it to me. I'm trying to get the video and audio to where it's going to be a good mix. When I have the mic sitting by my computer for gaming, it's in kind of a corner, so it gets the echo, and it's super loud. Now I've got it sitting out on the edge of the table here, and it's not nearly as loud, so I'm going to be moving stuff around just to try to figure out what's going on with it. So if you miss me, you miss me. That's good. So okay, I'm going to leave that audio sit there. I'll probably post this video either to Facebook or maybe to YouTube, just so I can get a reaction on the audio, the video quality. I don't think we're doing a live tonight, are we? Molly, if you're watching, I tried your damn ramen last night, and yeah, it's hot as fuck. No joke. That shit was hot. I ate the whole bowl. It was good, but it was hot. So, it was we met Molly at our antique booth, or at our booth day before yesterday, Friday. Met her down there Friday. Cheryl was dropping off her paparazzi jewelry for all you paparazzi people out there, and Molly's like, "Oh, I got some noodles for you to try." Yeah. Let's put it this way: they were hot this way, they were hot that way. Yeah. It's a joyous feeling. Yeah. So anyway, but what are we doing? What are you doing? She's off camera now because she's in her pajamas. She ain't worth 2 cents. She lays around all day, not doing nothing. Her and the dog.
Yep.
And the cat.
We're lounging.
I'm running a lazy people zoo. That's what I'm doing. So what do you got going on?
Nothing right this second.
Nothing right this second. This woman, her marketing is fabulous. Fabulous. She's got a good looking spokesman, and she's got nothing going on. I can't believe it. So
I got stuff going on this week.
Well, what do you got going on this week?
I am going to post pictures of available items that I have in stock
Okay, so she's posting on your website.
on Cheryl's paparazzi pieces.
She's posting on Cheryl's paparazzi pieces that she has available, photographs, pictures, real live 35mm pictures. It's like click, click, you know. So anything else?
The fundraiser's coming up
Oh,
this Saturday.
yeah. Ed's fundraiser is coming up this Saturday. I don't remember anything. I really don't. I barely remember when my son's birthday is. It's like June 4th or something.
Not at all.
No, September something 6th, I think. Yeah. So, but anyways, like I said, this is just a short live trying to get video over here, trying to get video over here, trying to get video here, trying to get sound there. Lighting. You guys see my Warcraft stuff, Molly? This is my Warcraft stuff. That's my Alliance stuff on that side. There's the Azeroth map. Tell your husband, and there's my Horde stuff on that side. So I wish there was a way to turn the camera sideways for Facebook Live, because I think the picture would be a lot better, but you can't. I guess it's a problem with the chat on your phone. Facebook Live on the computer is a lot better, but at the present time, I don't have a second camera to run Facebook Live off the computer and do my OBS to video capture without all the chat. And you know, with the OBS, people will still be able to see us doing the jewelry, and I'm hoping that it's going to be a much better picture. So again, we're trying to work some things out, do some better things, and just bring some kind of value to you guys on Sunday nights, that when you watch us, you're like, damn, those guys are ridiculous, especially that stupid woman. She said no. So, all right, well, I'm going to end this here. I think I got a good bit of footage, and you guys have a good one, and we'll talk to you next time. Peace. I'm just natural in front of the camera, ain't I?